Welcome back to AmericaTech. In episode 3 of Building Smart Data Systems, we're simplifying data pipelines, the pathways that move raw data through systems to turn it into actionable insights. Think of it as a plumbing system for your data. It keeps everything flowing smoothly. A data pipeline is a series of steps that collect, process, and deliver data to the right place in the right format. Here's the simple flow. Data ingestion. Gather raw data from sources like apps, sensors, or databases. Processing and transformation. Clean, format, and enrich the data. Storage. Store data in a database, data lake, or warehouse. Analysis and reporting. Deliver insights to dashboards, AI models, or decision makers. Let's look at an e-commerce company. Sales, inventory, and customer feedback data will be ingested into the pipeline. The data is then cleaned, standardized, and linked together. Analytics and AI models predict what products will sell next month. Data pipelines are critical because they ensure data is accurate and consistent, deliver insights faster, enable AI and analytics systems to work efficiently, support scalable workflows for growing businesses. To recap, a data pipeline moves data from raw sources to actionable insights. It involves ingestion, processing, storage, and delivery. Pipelines ensure reliable, fast, and scalable data workflows. This concludes episode 3 of our series on building smart data systems. In episode 4, we'll take a deeper look at how data is processed in a data pipeline using the Medallion Architecture, the gold standard of data processing pipelines. If this video helped you understand data pipelines, leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your team. Have questions about building your own pipeline? Drop them in the comments. We might cover them in the next episode. Thanks for watching. See you in episode 4.